Okay, now let's look at this, how to sketch this graph. Now, this is an absolute function, absolute value function. Now, to start off, let this be y, this x. Now, first let's sketch the basic function y equal to x squared minus 8x plus 12. Now, it pass through the point, the y-intercept is equal to 12. Now, what else? Remember, when you do absolute value function, you have to find the x-intercept. So to find x-intercept, what we have to do is to find the x-intercept. You put, when it passes through, let's say the curve actually passes through here. So at this point here, the y-intercept is always 0. Similarly, if we pass through here, then it's x2, but the y-intercept is always 0. Okay? So, so to find the x-intercept, let's put y equal to 0. Oh, sorry. Okay, now, okay, to find the x-intercept, what I have to do is put y as 0. So x squared minus 8x plus 12. Factorize it will become x minus 6, x minus 2. Okay, therefore, x minus 6 equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. From here, x is equal to 6. Here is x equal to minus 2. Sorry, it's 2. So, you pass through the point when x equal to 2. You pass over when x equal to 6. Okay? Now, y-intercept 12. So, if you sketch the graph, now let's look at the coefficient of x squared is positive, so it's a minimum curve. Okay? So, therefore, if you sketch it, okay? Now, this point is y-intercept is 12. Okay? So, oh my. So you should expect it to be from here onward. Okay. Now, so if you sketch it, you get this. Okay. Now, now after you have sketched whatever inside the two absolute line here, now, when you put, next stage is if you put the absolute line x squared minus 8x plus 12, I mean whatever positive, sorry, it's straight line, whatever positive is still positive, whatever negative become positive. So in other words, which part become negative? This part, the y is actually negative, right? This part here become positive because of the absolute value function. So this actually flip upwards. Okay. So this part of the graph disappeared. Why? Because it actually the third absolute line, you flip upwards. Okay, so there's a 2 here, there's 6 here. This part here is positive, so remain positive. This part here positive, remain positive. This part here negative, become positive. So this should be the final. Here should be y-intercept is 12. Okay. Now, if you want additional information on the graph, we can find the minimum point before the flip over. Okay. What I mean is, what is this minimum point here? Okay. So, as I said before, there is if this is a quadratic function, there is a center point here, which is the axis symmetry. So, to get this point is 6 plus 2 divided by 2, you get 4. Okay, so when x equal to 4, I mean this line here, when x equal to 4, what is the y value? Okay, very simple. This lowest point here still fall into the equation of y equal to x squared plus 8x plus 12. Okay, now when x equal to 4, what is your y value? So when x equal to 4, y become 4 squared minus 8 times 4 plus 12 is 16 minus 32 plus 12. Okay, now this 12 here plus 16 is 28. 28 minus 32, you got a minus 4. In other words, this point here is this point here should be minus 4. The y value should be minus 4. Now if you flip over, this point here will become 4, 4. Okay? 4 minus 4. Now if you flip over, it becomes 4, 4. Okay, so there's 6. That's it. About this line here. Okay, about this. Okay, that's it. I have managed to sketch, giving more information to the sketch graph.